Okay, I'm going to give a really brief demonstration about parallax web design or parallax scrolling. This is a relatively new feature in the design world. It's something really cool that can be added to a website. It encourages people to continue scrolling down a web page, to spend more time on your website, and it just adds a really unique aesthetic to a site. It's kind of hard to understand via text and email and descriptions in that sense. This is better understood visually, so let's get started. The first website is a very basic demo of what Parallax can do. As I scroll down, you'll notice that the background image moves. It doesn't move at all. It remains static. The point is to give the website the illusion of depth, almost as if it's 3D in a sense. Again, it's just a really cool aesthetic that can be added to any website. And it, just to encourage people to spend more time, continue scrolling, and see what this is all about. It adds something unique to it. The second website, same concept, but you can barely tell, but the image in the background in this website actually is moving, but at a much slower rate than the content on top of it. Again, the point is to add the illusion of depth and that 3D feel, and to make the website a little more unique than a completely static one. The third website is a little more detailed, and this one, I'm going to refresh the page because I want you to see that this website, in conjunction with the parallax effects, there are content fade-in effects, content slide-in effects that the website uses as well. So this one from top to bottom incorporates lots of different things on top of the parallax effects that makes it look very unique. So as I start to scroll down, you'll notice the content here fading onto the page. It's a cool feature that when added in conjunction with the parallax web effect here, you can see the backgrounds moving at a very slow pace in relation to the content on top. It just makes the website look much more interesting, much more professional than a standard static content website. The fourth website here we have one cool effect. This is not considered parallax, but it's just an effect that, when added in conjunction to parallax effects like the one down here, makes a website stand out. It gives it that interactive feel, and it encourages you to want to continue scrolling to see what else you can find. See? This website also, I can show you what we have here. Just little things that when added, this is not considered parallax, but when your website incorporates fun, unique effects like this, people are more inclined to spend more time to search the website, to see what you're about, to see what the website's about, and what else it has to offer. The final website's a basic version of Parallax. They just decided to have us put their logo in the background as the parallax effect. Simple thing, doesn't take much time to do, but it makes such a difference in website viewing. And that's really it. That's the gist of Parallax web design. This is the tip of the iceberg in terms of what can be done with it, but just to give you an idea, this outlines the basics. I hope that helped.